How to fix FIFA 22 not starting on Xbox error. To fix FIFA 22 not starting on Xbox error, try these steps. 1. Restart your Xbox. 2. Check and test your console internet connection. 3. Power cycle your networking device. 4. Log into FIFA 22 with the same account that you used to purchase the game. 5. Remove any unused peripheral device from your Xbox. 6. Ensure your disk is scratch-free. 7. Launch the Clear the Blu-ray Persistent Data option on your console. Pat. Xbox settings, devices and connections bulletin ray persistent storage. 8. Delete the personal saved data. Refer to the IMG below. Pat. Manage game and add-on saved data. 9. Change the DNS settings. 10. Uninstall then reinstall FIFA 22. 11. Contact EA support.